Old rotten telegraph pole. Completely hollowed through. Looks like another piece of Hemi 42. Let's find this one here. Yeah, that's a Hemi 42. Kind of a aqua green kind of color. And there's the pole that's left of it that it must have come from. Some sort of tie wire, I think. I gotta get that one cleaned out, but there's an embossing, eh? There we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Schuster Company, eh? Cleveland, Ohio. There's a keeper. Just gotta get it finished cleaning it up here. You never know what you're gonna find in these creeks. That's the nice thing about it. We got quite a bit more searching to go. Here's what's left of that pole. The one I showed you a couple minutes ago. It's an old pine wood telegraph pole, still sticking in the weeds. I'm gonna keep looking on here. Alright, so I just found this guy right here. It's full of mud. Oh. Bummer. Oh. Yeah, that one's been busted. That's a shame. Swimming grade 9. Yeah. Patented May 2nd, 1893. Yeah. Oh, it's busted. I'll just leave it there. Not sure what that is. I think it's a Hemi 20, and then I don't know. I think that's a piece of it too. So there might be some more glass right there. I'll check. We'll keep going through here. There's a piece of glass there. Something. I think that's a Hemi 40. What's left of it. And this guy here is an old, another pine wood pole. A lot older though. You can see all the notches for the cross arms in it. It's a big one. I just cut it and then I guess they just left it here. And I have a good feeling there's some insulators in there, so I'm probably going to just go down in that creek bed and see if I can dig up a few. And we'll keep moving along through here. And here's some more insulators here. It looks like a Hemi 42 and a Hemi 45, I think. pretty much what's left of them. And here's something real nice in here. Looks like a fully intact, well, not fully intact, but it's a nickel plate cross arm. You can still see it's still got some pins. Now I don't have the tools to remove those pins, but I'll probably come back and get those later. I can use them for my telegraph pole. That's an original cross arm from over here. That's nice. Yeah, there's probably some insulators down in there, or bottles or whatever, but I am not going to try to go down there, as you can see. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. Tons of graffiti though. The stream just keeps rolling on. And I just cleaned off this one. Fortunately it's broken, but this is the best find of the day, I think. Western Ohio Bottle Works, Van Wert, Ohio. Really nice bottle, but darn shame it's broken. Right along in here. It's covered in mud. I cleaned it up in this creek down here. And it rolls on down through. Two bottles, not bad. Found some insulators, but I won't show them now.